everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So in this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities. Make sure to watch the complete video so that you can get an idea regarding the opportunities and the related content. Also, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, then guys, it's a humble request from my side that please do subscribe this channel and be a part of our Telegram community as well. And one more thing guys, after watching the complete video, in your contact list, like in your WhatsApp or somewhere else, or if you are juniors, seniors, whoever is eligible for these opportunities and they are looking for opportunities, make sure to share this video with them so that they can be benefited by this video. Well, coming to our first opportunity, so that is from Synoptech, right? So the company is hiring for the role of trainee software engineer. Synoptech is a global system integrator and a management IT services provide, offering comprehensive IT management and consulting services to organizations worldwide. Coming to the responsibilities, so here you can see what do we do. They have mentioned consulting, business processes, business infrastructure. Technology stack will be like Microsoft technology like .NET, SharePoint, business intelligence, machine learning, Dynamics, AX, Java, J2EE, PHP, mobile, and all. Work location specified is Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Role and requirement is dynamic, self-motivated, quick learner, and ability to adapt with new environment, good programming skills, excellent problem-solving skills, and solution-oriented attitude. Good communication skills, that is verbal as well as written. Good conceptual knowledge. Qualification they have specified is BE, BTech in computer science, and IT. So these two branches are only eligible. Now, which batch is eligible? So 2020 and 2021 batch is eligible because this opportunity is for freshers. Okay, coming to our next opportunity, that is from Cisco. So Cisco is basically hiring for the role of business analyst intern, right? So here are some points given, like we are innovators, we are accelerators, we are transformers. Certain other things has been mentioned. You can go through it. The typical role expectations vary by the program that you are assigned in. Below are some of the responsibilities that you could be accountable for. So here you can see, analyze business processes, find gaps and identify improvement opportunities, strong data analytics and visualization skills, solid understanding of software product development life cycle. Work is part of a new product development team to develop our products and processes. A strong customer focus and ability to follow up on issues, assist with creating, analyzing, and releasing products and process documentation, present data and insights in a logical, influential manner to drive data-driven business decisions, capture the inventory of data sources, dashboards, measurements, high-level knowledge of Cisco processes, who you are. So desired degree, bachelor's degree, BE, BTech, minimum CGPA, that is 8 out of 10. You should be excellent in communication, both verbal as well as written. Team player with can-do attitude, strong in analytics, data analysis, and problem solving. Now, why Cisco? So regarding this as well, they have mentioned 13 points. You can just go through it. Now, this opportunity they have clearly specified is for 2022 only. So here, even you can read this out that this requirement is for 2022 pass out only. The exact role may not be open today, but could open in the near future. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is summer internship program analyst associate from Goldman Sachs, right? So you can see the last day to apply is 17th of November. So make sure to apply. The deadline given is that. Coming to the eligibility, so candidates currently pursuing a college or university degree and is usually undertaken during the second or penultimate year of study. So if you are 22 or 23 pass out, this opportunity is for you. Now, duration is depending on the region. Programs last between 8 and 11 weeks and are designed to fully immerse you in the day-to-day activities of one of your divisions. Summer associate internship. So candidates currently working toward an advanced degree such as an MBA, JD, MD, or LLM, and is usually undertaken during the second or penultimate year of study. So regarding this as well, they have mentioned the duration. So as of now, they have disclosed the stipend. Internship will be in office. Internship timing will be full time. About Goldman, there are certain points mentioned. You can just go through it, right? So if you're interested in the opportunity, make sure to apply. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from Kongsberg. Kongsberg is still hiring challenge it is, and coming to about the company, so it is looking for development engineers who want to experiment with their theoretical skills to gain exciting real-world software engineering experience. The engineers will work in the core of technology at Konsberg Digital's Bangalore Center with opportunities to build knowledge, expertise, and get hands-on experience on building solutions within autonomy, smart data, augmented reality, and other areas. Now, eligibility we have specified is 2020 and 2021 batch graduates is eligible for it. Format of the test is 10 MCQs will be there, one basic programming question, one DS and algo programming question. Okay, so the job location is going to be Bangalore, and here they have specified that 2020-2021 BE BTech graduates with 65%. So you need 65% thought academics from either of the following streams, that is computer science, information technology, or electronics and communication. So who they are actually looking for is that a hands-on developer who has the analytical knack for problem solving and logical reasoning, an inquisitive thought process to work in an agile environment which demands continuous improvement, an inquisitive mindset with a genuine inclination to contribute towards research and development, some exposure to one of the programming languages like C#, Java, Python, etc., a solid communicator who is able to explain, understand, and discuss technology on a daily basis. What you will be responsible for, like you have to contribute towards enhancing products by identifying opportunities for improvement, providing suggestions, designing and implementing, maintaining and improving existing code base, working with team to implement technical design and develop solutions with cutting edge technology like cloud computing, IoT, and machine learning, investigating, proposing, and using new technology wherever relevant. Now, what do they offer? So regarding this as well, they mention certain points, that is a flexible work environment, medical, accidental, and life insurance coverage, and certain other things are there. You can just go through it. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from MedPlus. MedPlus is hiring for the role of associate software engineer. This is an opportunity for freshers. Coming to the eligibility, so any BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, MCA graduation with good analytical and coding skills is eligible. Year of graduation is 19, 20, 21 can apply for it. Selected candidates will be required to join on 1st of December. So if you cannot join immediate, please don't apply. The skills required they have mentioned is familiarity with programming in C or Java or Python, good logical reasoning skills, familiarity with web development using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, have the desire to learn different technology at rapid pace, flexibility to adapt to changing workplace requirements, application process or date of written test is 20th of November as specified by them, and 13 other things they have provided. Evaluation process mentioned is like round 1 is going to be sectioning consisting of MCQ, comprising general aptitude, logical, numerical ability, core computer science and programming concept. Just go through it, right? Section B will be coding test comprising of 2 to 3 problems for which code need to be written. Round 2 is going to be in-person or online HR assessment, and shortlisted candidate will be notified through mail. Compensation details specified by them is that starting CTC of rupees 5.5 lakhs per annum, including of rupees 50,000 per annum retention bonus. So these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If this is so, make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe this channel, and be a part of our Telegram community as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye-bye.